How to fix a PC that randomly restarts. In this video, I'm showing you 4 ways to fix a PC that randomly restarts. Number 1, go to View Advanced System Settings and follow my steps. Uncheck Automatically Restart. Number 2, go to Choose a Power Plan. Select High Performance. Select PCI Express and make sure this settings is off. Select Processor Power Management. Change the minimum is 5 and the maximum is 95. Number 3, go to Services and find Performance Log and Alerts. Change the first and second failure to take no action and click Apply. Last option, PC that auto restarts. When all USB ports are full, power supply issue. Why does it happen? If your PC automatically restarts whenever many USB devices are connected, the most common cause is an insufficient or failing power supply unit, PSU. Every USB device connected to your computer draws power from the motherboard or directly from the power supply. Devices such as external hard drives, USB SSDs, webcams, RGB keyboards and mice, USB microphones, USB Wi-Fi adapters, USB hubs all consume electrical power. When several high-power devices are connected at the same time, the total power demand increases. If the PSU cannot provide enough stable power, the voltage may drop below safe operating levels. To protect the system, the motherboard may suddenly restart the computer. How to fix it method. 1. Disconnect unnecessary USB devices. Unplug devices that you are not currently using and test whether the problem disappears. Method 2. Use a powered USB hub. A powered USB hub has its own AC power adapter, so it supplies power to USB devices instead of relying entirely on the PC. This greatly reduces the power load on the motherboard's USB ports. Method 3. Upgrade your power supply. If your PSU is old or has insufficient wattage, replace it with a higher quality PSU. Choose a PSU with enough wattage for your CPU, GPU, storage devices, and USB peripherals. Buy from reputable brands with an 80+ bronze, gold, or better efficiency rating. Before the video ends, don't forget to like and subscribe.